Right now, I'm going to teach you something that you might already know about. This was originally conceptualized by Louise Hay, and she talks about it in her book, You Can Heal Your Life. Now, Louise Hay was, as we know, an exceptional teacher in self-development, and her concept of mirror work is basically that you look yourself in the mirror, you look yourself in the eye, and you say positive affirmations to yourself. So, if you've never tried this, I really suggest that you do so. And this is a very important part, a very important piece of the inner work that we're actually doing in this course. So, some of your positive affirmation that you have, for example, I love myself, or I accept myself, or I am beginning to accept myself, I am beginning to love myself. These you'll want to look in the mirror while you're doing your mirror work and repeat those affirmations to yourself while looking yourself in the eye. So try that today and see what happens. See if it brings up any emotions. See what happens.